What is up, guys? Oh, yeah, sorry. What is up, guys? Today, I'm gonna be playing Survival Minecraft. And as you, nope, I don't want to save. I already saved it. As you can see, I already got some stuff done. I only built to it was the first night. This is on peaceful. The first episode is gonna be on peaceful. I built a little house in a cave. So yeah, I got all this stuff built. Ooh, sheep. I don't know why I'm being careful. It's not even on difficulty, it's on peaceful. Don't eat the grass. Wow. Yeah, I had the bonus chest. I kind of cheated. It's just going to be me. If anyone joins, I'm just going to kick them. So yeah. I got a little mushroom too, in front of my house. I have one torch left. There. But it's going to be there. My furnace is going to be there. I got everything planned out. I'm good. That and that. Some food. To make a bed. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna need to find more sheep. But the woodbin shouldn't be so very hard, because I only had one. Hey, look. No. I might make a farm here. Yeah, I can make a farm here. I don't know where to put this side, so this is gonna be my little cacti farm. It's just starting now. I don't know why you make farms. I don't do anything with them, especially the cacti ones. Just regular farms with like wheat, I don't usually get to them very often. Or sheep, chickens. By the way, if you haven't watched my newest Golden Archer stuff, Fun Time with Golden Archer, I now hate chickens, but I do not hate slimes. I don't have to worry if like if I can't find home, because all I have to find is a mountain like that. A mountain with two things coming out. Ooh, a sheep. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, we have enough for a bed. I'm definitely going to be sleeping that night. Ooh, oh, there's a wolfie! Go get him, wolf. Go get him. Wolfie, go get him. There we go. Whoa! Good job, Wolfie. Went to the war. Ooh, there's an apple. There we go. If I was like running from a creeper, I would not get that apple. I would just go. Second thought, the stupid chickens. Hate you, chicken. And just whatever I want to put. Just whatever I want to put there. Yeah. Alright. There we go. Yeah. There we go. I might want to go start mining. I'm gonna need some coal. I had enough for a painting. Try to get the video game one. I'll do it later. For now, I got some mining to do. crap then. This leads into a little valley. Up there also leads into like an outside. Oh. Oh man. Shit up here. I thought I found an abandoned mine. I'm stupid. Ow. It's very quiet. Yeah, but I hope I can continue the series. Comment if you want more. I'll be glad to make a lot more. Maybe not a comment, but a like if you want me to do more. So you can get up to 10 likes, maybe? Huh. Oops. Oh, I have 2 messages. Don't look. Oh. I think I'll have to stick with one and just go and roll with it. Screw it. So I put like a little TV, like. So I'm probably gonna mine a bit. It's about to be. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see this here. Crap, it's still a dead end. Or is it? No, it's not. And it's a dead end again. Or is it again? Yeah, this time it's definitely a dead end. Stupid gravel thinking. But it's like, no, it's not a dead end, just look over there. And I'm like, oh, it's a dead end. Whoa, okay. So they were like, no, it's not. You just have to go over there. And it's like, oh, okay. And it's like, oh, it is a dead end. Stupid gravel! Yeah. Yep, down here is all I need. Anyway, just in case I get lost and my pickaxe breaks, I'm gonna use another pickaxe. I have a spare. Time to go on an adventure. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I'm gonna climb up this mountain, see what's at the top. I can see all the other mountains. Oh, I could easily get the pigs could fly achievement, whatever it's called. That looks like a little, that looks like a mount, like Mojo Jojo's or something. Or just like a regular evil island. I'm just a regular, an evil mountain on an evil. She looks evil. It's got like 2 spikes on it. Yeah, puppy. Hey, puppy. I don't got no bones. I ain't got no bones. Ooh, ah. That's what I was actually hoping for. And also iron. Yeah. Enough to make a pickaxe. Sweet, more iron. Enough to make a sword. And a shovel. Yeah, don't trick me. I want the map out. Crap. When I saw that, I thought I saw light. Like lava or something. The question is, how do I get back up? Good thing I brought cobblestone with me. And just a bit of gravel. Whoa. Ugh. Can you see that? A little cave over there? Oh, there's that opening at the end. Dang it. There's no one over here. I don't want to die with iron. And especially don't want to die with gold. Butter. Why are there like wolves everywhere? Are they just like following me? So, there's some sugar cane. There. I have enough for a lot of torches. I just need to get back to that cave. Oh, it's one of those places where it like goes straight down. I like those places. On. Yeah. Some just float for no reason. This is a good cave though. It's a good cave system. All this cave needs is some coal. It's getting too dark in here. There we go. I gotta get coal as fast as I can. Because I'm a gingerbread man. It's in my inventory. torches. Now, of course, I need more coal. I feel like this cave system is really big. This is just what I do when I'm like low on torches. I just go in places, and if it's a dead end, I just break all my torches that I lit to that area, so I can just save torches. That's just what I do. I don't know if you guys do that. Look at dead end. Alright, we found some more coal. I have 10 more sticks, which should mean I have a lot more. There are 44, that's a lot. Should be enough to get the heck out of here. Or to highlight the whole system. I could make this like a little base. If it didn't have an end to it. I mean, if it did have an end. But oh, okay. Sure, I guess. I just made it bigger. By the powers of me, I make it bigger. By the powers of me, Golden Archer, I make it bigger. The water. And that's a dead end. I have 20 torches, but I still gotta get out of this cave system. Ooh, redstone. I forgot I can't mine it. It's not iron. If only I still had some wood with me, I would have made a crafting table. I see butter. If I see butter. If I see butter. If I see diamond, I'm covering it up. Butter! Butter! This whole place is like lava. Lava world. In Mario. These are usually one of those things where it's like, challenge accepted. And you try to get as much stuff as you can. And you like get over to it. Butter. Alright. Oh. Alright. We almost ended it as I was gonna die. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.